Hello po. I am Gretel. I am 33 years old and I am married with one kid. So me and my husband has been serving the Feast Johnson for a decade now. We started serving the feast from 2016 up until now po. So my husband has been a drummer sa banda and ako I serve naman as vocals po. I'm here to share our life journey and how the grace of God has been present in our life. So, since 2019 po, the year when we got married sa ako ang husband, I have been diagnosed with severe problem with my reproductive system. So the first few months of our marriage, we've been visiting the OB/GYN's clinic kasi they found mass on my ovary, 9 cm mass on my right ovary. And after a few months, I have been referred to do surgery to remove the mass. So, from 2019, starting 2019, it was the start of my agony sa aking reproductive system problem. So, I have been in and out of the hospital for several times in a year because paulit-ulit po na nag-inflame ang reproductive system. So, there are times na pag ultrasound sa akuan na anay-nana ang akuang fallopian tube or puno na ng pus din ang aking uterus, aking matres. And on the year 2023, 3 OB/GYNs advised me to do Tabsona or its complete removal of my reproductive system because sabi nila, medyo low na ang quality of life ko kasi pabalik-balik na lang sa hospital and paulit-ulit na lang na operation. Ulit-ulit na gina-cut open ang tiyan just to save my reproductive system. So these 3 OB/GYNs recommended na lang Tabso to remove my ovary, my fallopian tube, and my uterus para lang ma-okay ang life, ang health because sabi nila precancerous precancerous stage siya. So if dili siya tanggalon, it could be harmful for me. And I have been also told by these 3 doctors na I have less to no chance of getting pregnant na. So, come 2024, so that's the year when I fervently prayed to God asking for His guidance. Kasi kung ako lang, gusto din ako magka-baby. I wanted to give my husband a baby. I wanted to see at least a mini me or a mini Daryl running in our house. And I fervently prayed to the Lord na if ever, kung may chance, bigay niya na lang sa amin. Or if wala, make me happy. Make me feel contented of what we have, just the 2 of us. Make me accept the situation. Make me surrender. Ganon. So, And then I let go of the anxiety, the things that bothers me so much. So, yun po. Na-surprise na lang ako kasi God is really amazing. July 2024, after we served sa the feast na service, medyo hindi lang ako mapakali kasi gusto kong mag-PT. Although, delayed naman ako always kasi hindi naman talaga normal yung, hindi naman talaga normal na regular yung menstruation ko. But that time, that month, medyo bothered talaga ako, and part of me really wants to do a pregnancy test. Wala lang. Gusto lang ako mag-pregnancy test atong day. And naagid po nagaingon sa ako ang magpiti ka. So I'm with my friends, my Kuya Popot and Pearl. So nag-dine in me sa restaurant that time. And naay sariling CR ang restaurant. And doon lang sa Watson's ang restaurant na to. So before ko nag-uban sila sa restaurant, I bought a PT together with Pearl, my sis Pearl. We bought a PT, and then bago na ko sila gi-joinan sa table, niadto ako sa CR and took the test. I was actually expecting negative result because again, kita may mag-expect, no, sa ako ang case, mag-expect pa ba ko nga mabuntis ko. Pero during while washing my hand, pagtanaw na ko sa PT, duha ka line ako nakita. I was trembling. Mixed emotions ko ato because again, wala ako nag-expect of positive. And I have actually done that PT kasi it was a routine during clinic visits, no? Na mag-PT gidaan bago magsulod sa clinic ni Doc. So katapod na night, ako lang po hindi grab na opportunity na mag-PT daan. Since tomorrow, visit ni sa ako ang doktor. So, na-PT na lang ko daan kaysa makabayad ko o mahal dito sa clinic ni Dr. PT. So, kato siya. Nag-positive siya. And the day after katanga night, nagpa-check up me. So, positive din siya. So, I think ito siya ang pinaka-greatest miracle ni Lord sa amo. Just when I thought I cannot do it anymore, or just when we thought that it won't happen anymore, gihatag niya sa amo ang greatest blessing, which is our daughter now. So, katong pagpanganak pa na ko na I have been resuscitated. My vitals shot low. Nag-down yun siya. And need pa ko nila pukawon para lang aton. And again, that's another miracle in our life. Like, God has been so gracious in me, sa amuan ni Dada, for giving me second chance in life and for giving me a chance to see my own daughter na nang dili ako na ni baby, gihatag gid niya sa amo. For those who are struggling, especially for those who are in a situation like me, itong una, no, nag-dream nga magka-baby, do not lose hope. Pray until Pray until pray when you are tired, pray when you're happy, pray. Basta i-lift up kay Lord tanan, because if mahitabo, if gusto niya mahitabo na sa inyoha, mahitabo gid na. He knows what He wants to do. He will bless you. He will give us anything na para gid sa atoa. So, wala kay imposible kay Lord. Walay imposible nga dili niya mahatag sa atoa. So, if you are struggling right now, if you have been praying for something na gusto kaayo ninyo makuha, pray for it and surrender it to God. Ayaw mo kawala og paglaang.